A beautiful day in Colorado. Nice and sunny. It's snowy. We got a bunch of road debris on the truck, but we made it. Everything looks good. My parents' house. I'm gonna show you my brother's cool truck here, old Bronco 2. Pretty cool, huh? Got a winch, bumper. Pretty nice. Looks so cool, doesn't it? We're going on an excursion. Woohoo! You ready for it?
No. Mama,
it's 43 degrees in the flatlands of Colorado.
Your cereal's on the floor?
5,000 feet. We're fixing to head into the mountains. It's gonna drop about 20 degrees. You ready? Well, we had to make a pit stop, and we'll get back on the road momentarily.
But when we get to Walden, we'll go north up into Wyoming.
Okay.
And then across, and then down back through Laramie. Poudre Canyon, then Walden, then north into Wyoming, and in Wyoming across into Laramie, which is in Wyoming. And then from Laramie south back here. But the sky is clear, so you should see plenty of mountains and such like. In the canyon, when y'all are going through the canyon, you'll be able to see during the daylight some of the areas that burned in these fires that we had. And just watch out for deer, because going through the canyon, sometimes the mule deer will just be standing in the, of course you're not in the front vehicle, but sometimes they'll just be standing in the road, and they'll look at you like, oh, am I in your way? I haven't ever seen any moose in the road, but we've seen moose going through the canyon. Once we get farther, there's a place you see a sign for Cameron Pass. In that area, start looking for moose.
The girls. Oh, you and the girls. Yeah.
Waiting on the third vehicle.
He's behind us. You can go ahead and go. I'll follow you.
It's cold.
Alright, on road again.
What took this long? I'm not little. No. I can fit back there.
No. I feel more.
Right there. Oh, it's not a real Christmas tree. It's lights that are supposed to look like a Christmas tree.
You see that?
Yeah. I saw it. Yeah, it looked pretty dark right there. Yep, I think Jack was asking, what is that?
Yeah, what is it?
That's a blizzard.
Is it?
Yeah.
How do you cut this thing on to where it's recording?
Button on the side. You can zoom in so you don't see the inside of the truck. It's so far away, and that's a blizzard. And that's a blizzard. There. See the blizzard? The snow. Zoom in a little so you're not seeing the vehicle. So that's a blizzard over there, guys, to the left. See all the snow on the mountain? It's coming from the real high elevation and blowing down this way.
That's the blizzard.
See how dark it is over there, and then look over there and see how bright it is over there. Directions. Are you using your binoculars, Colton?
No.
Look out ahead of you. You use your binoculars like on this side here, and you might see some sheep. Yeah. Yep, but they'll be up higher. Like, see that meadow there? See these rocks? There's one rock that fell right here recently. Oh, we got snow.
It's pretty. We are climbing the mountains.
Look at that water. Yeah, look at the snow.
Wow. Let's go over there and play snowball. Yeah. Snowball fight. Snowball fight. Snowball fight.
Daytime use only no overnight parking or camping. There's ice on that water. Look at that.
Yeah.
Do you see that?
Snow on my side. It's snow on my side. Snow on my side.
They have an orange vest on.
Yeah. I mean, no.
No, what color do they have?
No colors.
Snow colors.
No colors.
They're going too fast. How pretty the rocks are. You can't even record how pretty the rocks are down there in the water. You
Look,
see
that was a
each
good.
color. Yeah, tell me something. That's like a good
How long
camping
does
out.
this
You can
go?
camp over here? Are those camping cabins?
Probably.
There's your map.
look up top there.
Yeah, moose won't be out there.
No, moose aren't here.
What?
This spot there, further up. Now, that's cool. Look at this. Look at the tunnel.
It's a long tunnel. What was that jumping out?
That's cool.
That was a snake. Wow, that literally looked like a snake. That's wrong.
Look at that. Rock standing up by itself.
Wow. That like a portion was a
There's dry on the right, snow on the left.
cloud like snow on the left.
Look at that ridge.
Where is it?
See? No snow here and snow on the left.
Hands along the
You, mule.
Thank you, firefighters. Keep putting it in this truck. They're going pretty fast. Look at the turkeys.
Did you get them? Did you get them? Turn around.
Can't turn around. We're following them.
Some Colorado turkeys.
Sure, there's gonna be a point where they might.
We're not there yet at that point yet.
You're not gonna play in the snow.
Oh man.
The snow. Yeah, in front of us. Where are we stopping? You open this door. Grandma might be getting sick though.
Mom had to switch seats and keep the car seat.
Yeah. Did you see the turkeys?
Yeah.
Are they Osceolas? Is that what you call them?
I'm car sick. That's why we stopped.
How's it going up here? Cold?
Keep that camera off.
Going good so far. I'm just not seeing any wildlife except turkeys.
It's all the turkeys. We've been looking.
Birds are the only thing I've seen so far. There's a spot where there's where it all narrows and it's kind of a rough waterfall type thing. We're gonna pull over when we get to that.
I was like, how in the
cool.
world is he gonna get back down after climbing up all that?
You happen to carry WD-40 with you?
Nope.
Camera doesn't do it justice. The immense beauty of this area does it. And the height. I mean, the height. Right there, that rock right there is above us, like directly above us. That's probably 200 feet, 300 feet to the top right there.
Probably more than that.
Oh, what I was saying, Grandpa said there's a spot with a rugged waterfall, and we're gonna go stop at the waterfall and then get out and look. Go into the sunroof.
No, it's not. You can't even get the sun on the screen. You can't get the sun on the screen. It won't.
Yes.
Because we haven't been. Goofball.
That's a cool cave.
A cave will be
That.
a whale in that. Cave on my side, that. Okay, Daddy, right? Are you sure in that cave?
Maybe.
Where is it? On my side. See that cave? I don't see it.
Oh, wow, look at that. The snow.
Yeah.
We saw
should use a stop wall.
Oh, who am I saying I prefer what?
Alright, we're going.
Don't go so fast.
No one either.
Like home, like
Home. Like Emmett, South Carolina home.
Too close to the ocean.
Huh?
I said it's too close to the ocean.
It's a perfect spot.
Restricted fishing area. I wouldn't want to go there.
I got it.
Scenic Bobber. We're in Poudre Canyon,
You're thirsty.
by the way.
I can't feed him for 5 minutes, so throw him back in the car seat.
I did not.
He said there's no moose in the area where we were.
We saw moose last time we were here in Colorado.
Don't you remember?
Dad. What? I don't know what they look like green. It's a nice cabin in
No kidding.
there. You don't set up a tent where rocks can fall.
Yeah?
Going into a blizzard. Small one.
How do you know it's a small one?
Still daylight.
So?
Yeah, see, it's already melted off the road.
Wow, look at that, Dad. Pretty good guys.
Yeah.
It's Mindy, y'all. Nope. Get it. Get it.
Call and let her get by herself.
Get the one in the middle. Get out. You can. Yes, you can.
Calm down.
Get it out. Go in the middle.
My knee hurts so bad.
Look at that. You don't see the rocks that fall on top of that? Boom, 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 boom. Down, down, down.
7,200 feet here in Poudre City. Poudre City.
Only that snow, Daddy. So smooth as.
Whoa.
I was making a big old snowball. Yeah,
Fence is down.
The fire's burning now. What we got here?
These are concrete.
No such thing. Okay.
Let's keep looking at it.
Yeah, it still says it right here.
Watch wildlife along the road.
This might be mule deer in the road here.
Like that milk.
Colton.
Fine. You see this cake?
Colton, the snow that we drove in here is a lot worse than this.
And you were sleeping.
Yep. You couldn't see in front of you. You couldn't see the vehicle in front of you. That was a blizzard. This is nothing compared to that. It was a lot worse. Super thick. Look at those power lines. The fire burned them. See it?
Power lines are all melted.
You can't fix them. You have to string a new line. I wonder how many people were without power because of the fire.
Let's do some trees. We're gonna cut them too.
Because look how close that fire was to that
Yeah.
house.
They had a blockade. Christmas tree.
Look at that. They're taking it home in snow. Man, I would not want to get out in 17-degree weather to puke. I guess you don't want to get out in the snow to puke. I don't blame you. It's 17 now. Whoa, Joshua. That's not funny. Don't do that.
Oh man.
Did he pull off to put it in four-wheel drive?
I don't know what he's doing.
This is that spot Dad was telling you about that you wanted to look at. I was just seeing if you wanted to go see it.
Oh, the waterfall?
It's, yeah, kind of a sharp sharp crevice with a waterfall. I think it's frozen right now.
Okay.
But it's still cool to look at.
Getting some footage.
But it's not frozen.
There's a waterfall?
There's a waterfall here and it's really loud.
Yeah, I see that all the ice where the waterfall is almost frozen. Yeah, you won't get up. I was wondering, like, get back in the truck now. Oh, hey, careful, a little further.
It's so crazy. The pool, they should get hot in the snow. So
That was cool.
Yeah.
You can see the waterfall down there. You can see the waterfall down there, but it's almost completely frozen. Icicles, that's frozen.
Well, look at that go down. They're like a tornado.
Colton,
What? It's a fake one.
it's a blizzard, not a tornado.
This is as real as it gets there, buddy.
I'm ready to go back.
We gotta go through now.
It's been 4 hours.
There's a sign, Poudre Falls. There it is right there, it says falls. Ice. Right there. There's a real deep pool right here, I don't know if y'all can see it. Right there.
You won't be able to get down there. activity ahead. There's no way there's fire activity already. But still, it should all be put out.
Fire is still alive.
Oh my goodness. Huh?
That means fire is still alive.
Yes. And it can live under the snow in embers. And when the snow melts, it can light back up.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Cargo live.
Where's Uncle Brandon?
That's right.
He's ahead of Uncle Devin. Look what Devin and kids lights on up top. That'll make it worse. Blue Lake.
Blue Lake.
Blue light.
Can't see a lake.
I don't see a light.
Long, drawn. Oh my goodness. I do not like
This
this.
blizzard.
Can you come back around?
Nope.
We have to go through just as much as we already been through.
11 degrees.
Getting cold and cold.
11 degrees. I thought those were headlights of this British truck. He's going too fast.
I bet Grandma would go push that hill. Did you see up with that car? Did you see it, Mommy?
Yes.
Stop it. You know this car? I'm vision. I see it.
Look how you're driving. Because my other say that, I can barely see the road.
I can only see the road at all.
I can barely see like the tire grooves.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, oh.
Whoa.
Watch out, Josh.
He doesn't have a car tire.
Does he not have four-wheel drive? He's got a winch on the front.
Do you have your lockers on?
Yeah, I just put them on.
Alright.
Brandon's gone. If we're four-wheel drive, it won't do that, right? I bet Rachel was screaming. I would have been screaming if I was in there. I was screaming up not being in there.
It has ice, real ice, and the steamer for real does that. Like outside the field,
Really?
yeah, steamer for real does. Wow.
Daddy has brilliant ideas.
God is living
I never once said, I want to go to the mountains where all the snow is.
it. Wow.
First section was plenty. We didn't have to go through all this. I've got to pee so bad.
Me too.
I don't have to. And I've been drinking water. Water makes
I haven't even drank much and I gotta pee.
Water makes me pee more. And that's what drink doesn't make me pee much. Water makes me pee much. Much.
You might as well keep those wipers going.
Where's that hold up and go?
You can't stop. You gotta keep going.
I cannot go if I can't see it.
See him. All the way past your head.
10,276 feet.
That high road.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that tiny house. Mom, you saw that tiny house? Mom,
Did you see that sign?
Said slide area.
Yes. gosh, I'm gonna have a panic attack.
I think I'm still gonna pass out. Do you think we're gonna pass out, Mom?
Yes, you did on the way here.
I'm paying for it to snow, not an avalanche. I'm not.
There's not any snow on this road. Wind's blowing on. Wind's super strong. We need walkie-talkies. It's a pee.
You gotta pee.
Feed the babies or something?
You gotta pee.
You gotta pee and
Go
we
for
need
it.
to feed the babies.
I won't look in the mirror.
I
This
gotta
is
pee.
a good spot since it's wide open.
I am not getting out of this to pee.
Well, there's nowhere else. We still got several miles before we get to Boulder.
How many miles?
I don't know for sure, but that's my ways. This is the only place I had traction enough to stop.
Do we have much traction?
Huh? I don't have four-wheel drive, so I just didn't want to stop on a hill, just in case.
Poor baby. I'm gonna feed you soon, I promise. You'll be the first one. I bet none of this is open.
Let's see if they know where the nearest bathroom is.
You want to get out and pee on top of the snow with your butt getting cold?
No. No.
Yeah?
You wanna get out? Right here and pee?
I don't think they're open.
So
We may just have to park in a triangle and take turns not looking.
further up ahead.
Well, Walden will be the next place. About 29 miles.
Oh, look, there's a deer.
Well,
Right there in the woods.
I don't see it. I gotta go and see it. Right here.
There's two. We need to go on somewhere. They're right there. See them?
Yes, I know.
There's the animals you were talking about.
Look, they might be coming from there. There's that clear spot.
You can tell me we can go on up to the roads. Start there.
Buckle back up. Show me that. Buckle up.
Look, see them?
There's
Look,
only four.
there's 4 of them. They're going through right
They're
there.
babies. Right? 3 babies.
They're does.
And dogs.
How pretty.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them. Pow, pow, pow.
Pull this out.
Daddy, you should shot one. You have a gun.
He can't
Don't
shoot
have
them. They don't have license or a
here.
permit here.
I have license Colorado.
See, it says half a mile popping ice to go.
Look at that.
Here?
Angel.
That's because of the wind. We gotta have bathrooms here.
It's a tavern and cabins. Does tavern mean?
Should have bathrooms.
It looks like school field.
So what's the plan?
Alright.
Y'all know for sure in 20 miles there's gonna be places?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
But I can't pee. Wow.
This is why they
some moose.
I have binoculars, Dad. He sent me 3 layers of undies.
Yeah, you're probably gonna need at least that.
No, he said 3 layers of undies.
We have service now.
Alright, so we made it to Walden. We made it through the blizzard. Jackie, everybody I think in here is happy, mutually happy that we made it through the blizzard, right?
Katie, unbuckle and grab my coat.
Yes, excited. Went through the blizzard.
It was kind
A black coat. Right
pretty
behind your car seat.
Yeah. And I think they're
Get my
glad
black coat.
they made it through the blizzard. So we're gonna freshen up a bit here. You glad you made it through the blizzard? Huh?
I told you we'd see some cool stuff.
Yeah. Made it in the blizzard. You glad? Made it in the blizzard. Yeah. What you got back here?
T-shirts and sweatshirts and stuff.
What do you think about all that snow and the wind and you can't see anything?
Made it through the
Mugs.
mugs. What? Yeah. Oh, that one? Do that. That's a what? Large. Oh.
That's such a cute shirt.
want this one. Do you want this one? I do want the tame
Yeah.
one.
Hold on, no, don't touch it.
Watch it, that's the saw you have. Do you know that big old long saw? That's the saw you have.
Yeah.
That's a big old long saw.
Oh, honey, I got this.
I want this.
What?
It's got a moose on it.
The pink
Oh.
one.
The pink
I
one, the
want the
purple.
pink one.
Miss. All right, let me see your shirt.
Those are cute.
Thank you, ma'am. All right. Okay, you're gonna carry it. All right, thank you. Thank you. You too. That's fine if you want to eat in Laramie.
Do we need to change our diapers before we go?
Change the baby diapers, yeah, and then we'll be ready to go.
I mean, latch you on and then I'll cover up. Yeah, I know. They're mean, aren't they? Or just wants our food. Honey, you gotta latch better than that. Come on now.
Moose. Yeah.
Goodness.
What?
You better not miss that part. Julie was singing Frosty the Snowman in the bathroom. She is gulping it down.
Well. To Laramie.
What?
To Laramie.
Yeah. Well, to back to her house.
What's that?
It's like moose. Is that what it looks like to you?
Look, moose is too big to be cows.
Too big to be what?
Horses, really. Yeah, horses.
These are cows.
Horses or cows, kind of hard to tell in a blizzard.
What?
Never were trying to beat that.
Snowstorm? Well, you can see the
I guess
roads.
they are.
It's not too all bad, but it's still.
Yeah, the road's not covered, it's just the dust, the blizzard, all the loose stuff blowing.
The wind blowing the snow around.
Yeah, all the loose stuff. It's already here. That's pretty. So now we got that mountain sheltering us for now. Looks like we're going back into it. 7% grade. We're going down the mountain. Well, we made it down the grade. Laramie, Wyoming, 27 miles. It's even flashing.
Yeah.
Deer crossing, flashing. Alright, we made it to Laramie.
Look at the deer. See it?
Give me the camera.
Look, Julia.
Go to the camera.
That was cool.
Oh, that was cool. I got about let's see,
We didn't have to go to the mountains for that either.
12 or 14 point buck mule deer just crossed the road in front of us in the middle of the city. I think in front of a church. I think we got it on camera. I was going through all that. We've gone 170 miles through a blizzard through Poudre Canyon from Loveland, Colorado to Laramie, Wyoming. See the mule deer in the middle of town. And here's Arby's. It's Coke.
Did you see that buck?
Yeah, did you?
Yeah. The buck. You saw that? That's a big buck.
Has a mule deer.
That buck was big.
What, 14 points?
Yeah.
16 points?
All four, that's still going?
Yeah.
14 to 16.
Did you see the mule deer?
Yes, that was huge.
We went through all of Poudre Canyon and the blizzard and see a mule deer in the middle of town. like